What's going on, my beautiful people? Happy Sunday. What's going on? What's the word? How we doing? How we living, guys? This is gonna be a very jam-packed and great class. We're gonna get right to it today. I already see all y'all in the chat today. How y'all doing today? I already see all y'all live right now. Let's have a good, let me send my last little message out right quick. How y'all doing today? What's going on? I see you. Yeah. I know that you had a good week in the chat. And I want to go live on Instagram too. I want everybody to know what's going on. Because as you guys know, every single Sunday, we come with those gems. We come with that pressure. We laying down no smoke, no nothing. Y'all seen what happened these past couple weeks? Yeah, I know y'all been seeing it. We were going crazy. I'm going to break down to you guys how I've grown my account from $5,000 of last week. Now we're almost at $15,000. This is a week that's gone by. We getting a little bit more than a week that's went by, and over $10,000 growth. And so 10K sounds good, but if y'all don't math, it's only going to be a 200% return on your investment, which is pretty good. So I'm going to break down basically how we did this, and then what stocks to watch this week, all right? Y'all ready? If y'all ready, guys, put a 1 in the chat or put a fire in the chat. I want to see who's ready. I want to see who's hyped today. Let's get it. Let me see who's ready in the chat. All right, this week. Let's get to it, y'all. So y'all, welcome to today's stock class. Y'all know how we get down in here in the chat. It's your boy Ryan in the cut. Let me go ahead and post my little thing right quick. All right. Yeah, put a fire in the chat if you're here on YouTube and you live right now. Because this class is going to be jam-packed, all right? Put a 1 in the chat if you're here on YouTube and you live. Yeah, I see, okay. All right, okay. All right, cool. Let me get started on Instagram live right quick. People not on my YouTube to join. Shit. All right, let's get it. Let's get to work today, y'all. Who's ready? Okay. We see y'all in the chat. Cool. Let's get into it. Cool. So boom, y'all. This right here is what we do. Every single Sunday, we go live to give you guys free game, free gems, free of charge. Because at the end of the day, bro, it's like when people start learning about trading, it's like this is a very intricate game where someone can make a lot of money. And you can also lose money if you don't know what you're doing. So real quick, if you're brand new to trading, guys, you have zero experience, you don't know what you're doing, comment a 1 in the chat right now. I want to know who is my people who have no experience, my newbies. If you're a noob at trading, guys, put a 1 in the chat right now. And people who are on YouTube, people who are on Instagram, we're live right now on YouTube. So y'all don't want to be this, y'all have to join it. Y'all want to join the streams. I'm about to go ahead and put out some free game here on my charts. Free game here about what's happening in the market this week. So I want to see where my noobs are at in the chat. If you're a brand new trader, guys, throw a 1 in the chat. And if you have some experience, put a 2 in the chat. I want to see who's experienced, who's a noob, where y'all are at, all right? So let me know where y'all at in the chat. And also, guys, if personally, this may be a little personal question, but I want to figure out my audience, right? Who am I talking to? So I can figure out how to help you guys out, right? So if right now in your personal life, if you're making between 0 and $2,000 a month, put a me in the chat. So if you're making about 0 to 2K a month, put a me in the chat. If you're making between 2,000 to 5,000 a month, put a number 2 in the chat. If you're making between 5,000 and 10,000, put a 3 in the chat. I want to see where everybody's at. I ain't trying to go into y'all's pockets, you know. I just want to see where y'all are at financially from your jobs, from your income. So again, if you're making between 0 to 2K a month, put a 1 in the chat. 2K to 5K, put a 2. And then pick up a who's on my screen. If you make 5K to 10K, put a 3 in the chat. I want to see where y'all are at before we get this class started. Because at the end of the day, guys, it's time. Man. This is September. This is a brand new month. Everybody can change your life right now if you just lock in and put the work in, all right? I see a bunch of ones in the chat. I see twos in the chat. What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? I see ones and twos in the chat. Okay, cool. So guys, on YouTube I see ones, I see twos, I see everything, right? So cool. If you guys posted a 1 in the chat, right? At the end of today's class, I'm gonna help you guys get the goals in the system to go from 1 to 2. You posted a 2 in the chat, you go from 2 to 3. If you got a 3 in the chat, hey, you already lit, but we still make some more money, right? So let's go ahead and get into what we're looking at this week, right? Let's first get into, for people who are brand new, what do we do in the chat, first and foremost, right? Let's go ahead and get into that. So first and foremost, if y'all are brand new to the trading in the trading community, we trade live every single day. As you can see, we have our chat right here, where people are basically trading every single day with us also on live. And as you see, people are posting profits in our chat every single day. My mentee Destiny right here, she made about $300 here on Friday. It was a good day for her. And if y'all missed it as well, this is my current account right now. We had 5,000 in this account last week. Now we're seeing almost 15 grand. So in a matter of about, it was a couple, 8 or 9 trading days, we scaled the account literally from 5K up to $15,000, right? And if y'all aren't here on YouTube Live right now, y'all missing out. The link is gonna be in my Discord or in my bio, all right? But this account, I put only $5,000 into this account. And we made over $10,000 over the past, week and a half or so, right? So, and as you see right here, guys, this is also going to be our win rate for the week. So not only do we trade live with our students, but we post you guys kind of how we do as far as trading every single week, right? So we have losing trades too. I lost some money. I lost like $500 on the video on Friday, and I made that shit back quickly that same day, right? So as you see, out of the whole week, we've had 10 trades, we call that, right? Total of 10 trades, and we only lost 1 trade. This is an amazing week in our chat and stocks, right? So if y'all are hyped to see what we're doing this week, what stocks to watch, what companies to look for, and everything like that, go ahead and put a 1 in the chat right now. I want to see who is hyped right now. And if y'all are brand new to my account here on YouTube Live right now, go ahead and hit the like button here on YouTube Live. Hit the subscribe button. Let's go ahead and hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of September, right? I want to see who's hyped in the chat. So go ahead and put a 1 in the chat. And make sure this video is liked. We'll keep pushing on this content. All right. I see y'all in the chat. Okay, cool. Let's get it. So cool. First and foremost, let's get into how did my students do this week. So cool. One of my top mentees, Trinity, she made over $1,000 on Friday in her chat. Not bad. You see right here, she made a big profit on all these trades right here. We got people making gains everywhere. All right. My boy Christian right here, as you can say, we're sorry, funny boy. He said it's been a full year. His account has flipped from $300 all the way up to $3,000 being in our chat in my program for mentorship, right? I really made some money. So people are making money almost every single day. And as you can see, we've been scaling them accounts. So people are making profits in our chat every single day. So at the end of the day, I can show all these profits in the chat, right? But if I can't help you make some money, then what's the point? You see what I'm saying? So I'm not here to flex on you guys. I'm going to get into the real life details. And if y'all didn't know, man, if y'all see Mr. Ryan Bands with the orange glasses, just know he's about to start cooking. Let's get into it, y'all. So boom, if I was a beginner, what is the very, very first step I would do as a trader so I can actually set up a plan for myself so I can actually become profitable? Because at the end of the day, you can trade all you want. You can want this lifestyle all you want. But if you don't create a goal plan and system for yourself, you will fail miserably. I'm so sorry to say, guys, but I got the shades on today, so you know your boy about to be cooking. And I ain't playing no games, all right? So step by step, if you guys are a brand new trader, if you're a beginner, I'm going to give you guys right now here on YouTube Live, here on Instagram Live, and here on Zoom. I'm going to give you a 3-step fast track plan to become profitable in trading, right? If you stick to the end, it'll be a very, very quick class. Not only will you get a whole entire game plan of how to trade, you'll also get an actual roadmap of how much money to make for yourself every single day, every single week, and every single month to hit your plan. And on top of that, I'm going to give you the game and the tool set and the skill set from step by step so you can literally lead this live stream today if you want to and do it by yourself if you want to. No gate holding. So if you're ready, guys, put a 1 in the chat. Put a fire. I want to see who was hyped. If y'all ain't hyped, I don't give you no game. I'm taking the shades off, and we ain't giving y'all no game. But if y'all hyped, put a fire in the chat. I'll put a 1. I'm gonna leave you guys literally step by step in. All right, cool. We see y'all putting fires. Okay. Let's get into it then. Free game 101. How would I start as a brand new beginning trader? Right. So y'all always say, Ryan, so how much money should I start with my account? How much money should I start trading? Like, Ryan, I'm brand new. I want to know. Personally, I would say if you're good for it, I would say put between 1,000 to 2,000 if you have pretty good finances. Now, if you're trying to make it and you're kind of getting up there, I say put a 500 in it, right? So I said put in 1,000. So I'm gonna put 1,000 right here. So 1,000, right? How much do I want to aim for as far as profit every single day in my account? Well, I want to look for about 7% profit on my account every single day, man. Over the span here of, let's say 30 trade days, let's figure out how much money you would make here on your account, Monday through Friday. So after 30 trade days, as you can see right here, just 30 days being locked in, you can flip your account from $1,000 here all the way to $4,000, 4.4K in a matter of 30 days. So as you can see, day 1, your profit goal is to make $70. Day 2 is 75. As you see here, this is the 10th. Day 3 is $80, right? So all these numbers sound super small. Like, what the fuck is $80? I can't even get an oil change with that shit, right? It's little. But what you fail to realize is, guys, those small gains really add up. They really add up, right? So cool. You put 1K into your account. That's typically pretty average, right? You put 1K into your account to start trading. You're a brand new trader, right? As you can see, over 30 days, you make about 4.4K. But why is compound interest so important, guys? Someone tell me in chat, why is compound interest so important? Because if I add just 20 more days and make it 50 right here, look what happens. Over the span here of 50 trading days, now you made a profit of $10,000 on your trading account. With just 20 more days added to your game plan, guys. Just 20 more days, you make literally $6,000 more dollars. So the effects of compound interest is, guys, check this out, stay with me here. These little $80 profit you have, right? $85 profit, $90 profit, right? It seems small shit. But what you're doing is you're scaling your account by the percentage. You're not worrying about the number. You're about the actual percentage value. So in these days right here, your account is starting to slingshot and compound quickly and consistently. From going from $80 days to $90 days, now you're making a total of $300 right here, $330, $350. And I'm telling you guys real life things, because the things that I teach you guys, my mentees are doing to this day. I have Masty on this call right now. What's up, Masty? She made $284 on a trade here, right? Very recent ago. Let's keep going. My boy right here, check this out. Check this out. My boy David right here, he made right here 138 in a day, 207 the same day. So that's 330. And then $100. So he made about $400 in a single day. He started out making small money, right? His account is now scaling. Then Destiny right here, one of my top mentees, she made $250 the other day in one single day, right? So people making $200 in a day, $600, so it keeps on adding up, right? But what people fail to realize is it wasn't always that way, right? They were making little small gains like this. They were like, Ryan, what am I doing wrong? Everyone's banking. I'm making fucking $100. Like, what the fuck is $100, right? If you guys stay patient in your trading career, your account will scale and compound. So write down on some notes, guys. Do not focus on the dollar amount. Focus on your daily percentage growth. Guys, write down, guys. Do not focus on the dollar amount. Focus on the daily percentage growth. Because people see that my account has grown from 5K all the way up to 15 grand where it's at right now, right? But what you don't realize is I made $2,000 on Friday. I don't even need to flex. But see, I only made 14% of my account, right? If I had 100 racks, making 2K on a 100 rack account, that's a 2% return on investment, which is not really shit. So the fact that I was able to grow my account from 5K to 15 grand in about a week and a half or so, I'm not doing this sporadically, guys. Like, whenever you're trading options, I don't know about Forex, futures, and all that stuff, But with option trading, guys, you want to focus on percentage value growth. Because at the end of the day, guys, the day got to end. You know what I'm saying? So people who are gambling, looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, looking for a casino, I'm not your guy. You know what I'm saying? If you want to scale an account, be a full-time trader, and have an actual asset that will pay you for the rest of your life while you're at home, wherever you like in the world, I'm someone who could teach you how to do that, you know? I'm not gonna teach you how to gamble your money. I don't gamble. I don't do no fucking gambling. I'm sorry, people that gamble, to me, I look at you guys up and down, and I just don't even say anything to y'all, cause yeah, I don't want y'all's energy to either. Like, I'm so big on energy, guys, that I don't even want to entertain people whose energy levels are down here, right? So let's go ahead and get into like how you actually do that if you're a brand new trader, right? If you have no experience, how would you do that? Let's get into it. So first and foremost, let's get into some of the trades that we've done this week. And I'm gonna get into the beginner's info in a second, right? So here on, let's see, one of the biggest trades was here on Friday. We took a nice trade here on on Netflix, right? So the same company that we're all paying money to every single month this is a profitable company, Netflix. We bought some Netflix puts, right? So guys, who in the chat knows what a put means? Honestly, I know this is very beginner level, guys, but guys, what does a put mean in the stock market? Can somebody tell me, what does a put mean in the stock market? I'll wait to the first, oh, there we go, boom. It goes down, exactly. So a put means in the market that you make money as a company drops in valuation. So when a company goes down in price, your money goes up. That's a put. It's easy, right? So as you can see here, let's break down one of our biggest trades here on Friday. This trade was the trade here on Netflix. So this company, guys, was shitting the bed. Really bad here on Friday. It was going down, it was dropping hard, right? It pulled back and it dropped even some more. So I saw that we had a very nice clean setup here on Netflix. Guys, who here knows about the break and retest strategy? Who knows about that strategy? Let me know in the chat. Basically, guys, this area here at Netflix, let me zoom out a little bit more. This gold zone right here is called my pre-market area. So the area in the market before the market opens. Right here, this is the lowest part in pre-markets. I'm gonna go ahead and draw a line right here. This gold line right here is called my pre-market low. So if I get my arrow to right here, Netflix basically broke through my pre-market low right here. You see this? We broke through my pre-market low right here. And then we had a retest to the same area right here on Netflix, right? So what happened was, when we had a little bit of a retest right here, we actually continued back down, and we tried to create a lower low below this previous low here on Netflix, right? So when I see this happen, what I did was we actually trade live with the students every single day. So on my live call, I tell everybody, hey y'all, the market may be creating a lower low. I said, I'm watching Netflix for puts. So let's stop here. Let's stop right here. All right? Let's stop right here. So if you're on my live call in the morning, not only am I giving you guys access to look at my whole screen share, see the charts, see what I'm looking at, I'm going to actually talk you through what's happening in real time. So you as an investor, a brand new trader, maybe you didn't have some experience. You can actually hop into our calls, copy our trades, and basically learn how to trade and learn how to make money from someone who's experienced like me before you put your whole real money into your account. Because guys, put the one in the chat, guys, if you do not like to lose money. If you guys do not like to lose money, guys, put a one in the chat. I want to see a whole lot of ones, guys. If you guys like to make money, guys, if you guys like to lose money, guys, put a 2 in the chat. So if you guys do not like to lose money, y'all, put a 1 in the chat right now. I want to see a bunch of ones. If I don't see ones, I'm assuming that you like to lose money and you're gonna unfollow. Because that's not what I do. We make that shit right here. They print it every single day, so I can make our own piece. Alright, see, exactly, right? So look, guys, if you want to make money from trading, you gotta learn the game first. So what I would say is to do is to practice trade before you put in any real money into your account. So now, if you make some money, check this out. So I called out that I'm in half of my position size right here on some Netflix 665 puts, which means that I want to see Netflix drop in price. Let me go wipe my camera off. That shit blurry as hell. Alright, cool. So boom. As you can see right here with Netflix, we called the puts out right here in the chat, and then they ended up dropping a whole leg down to my critical area right here. And if you guys want to, guys, this is going to be the freest game of today, guys. The most important thing we focus on as a trader, guys, and write this down. You have to write this down. This is free game. It is called risk to reward. Risk to reward is your most important asset as a trader right now. You know why? On this trade right here, I risked $1 to make $9. So again, guys, I risked $1 to make $9. So everyone always says, guys, trading is so risky. Oh my gosh. You don't do risk to reward. You don't have a stop loss. You are gambling. You're not a part of the statistic of people that know how to trade. So you need to close your mouth respectfully. If you're going to be a good trader, guys, you're going to have to do things like this. Because guys, a stop loss protects you from losing your trade. For example, the trade could go from in this range, and if it goes above this like red box right here, I'm selling my trade. I'm out quickly, right? So what the stop loss does is it protects you. Now, I aim for right here for profits because, let's think about it, right? If I risked $1 to make $9, I could lose the same trade 8 different times and lose $8 and then win one time, make 9, and still be in profit of $1. Hopefully that didn't go over your head. So I could lose the same trade 8 different times, win it one time, and still be profitable. So these things is what keeps traders like me in the game, because I make sure I have my numbers all the way correct. So after we called out this put here, as I'll show you again, we called it out right here exactly at what time? 8:54. So the market right here, check it out. 8:54 is exactly where? Exactly right here. And we captured this whole entire move when the whole chat banked. So as a result, go to the gains tab. As you can see, money on everywhere. All the mentees are banking. Matter of fact, guys, if you're on our program for like into our trading chat, just comment the word trial right now in the chat, and you're gonna actually learn how to trade step by step as a beginner. You have no experience. Comment the word mentor, and I'll be able to teach you over a 6-week training period, so you can actually get hands-on feedback on how to start trading around. And you see people making profits on chat every single day. So that was one of our first trades on Friday that we took that went really crazy. And then the second trade I took on Friday was also with some puts here in the video at 8:39 in the morning, right? So 8:39 in the morning. We call puts here on the video. So in the video puts, because I'm making money as the company goes down in price, right? So at 8:39 in the morning, guys, let's see what the video was. It was exactly right here. Right here. As you can see, the company dropped very nice in price from right here down to right here in the video. So we call very accurate plays in the chat. As I just kind of showed you before, guys, we went 9 for 10 of trading this week. So we only lost one single trade. So you always say, Ryan, put me on. Ryan, I'm ready. I'm young. I want to change my life. I'm ready. I'm serious. Hey, man, I'm going to tell you right now, action takers are the money makers, right? If you want to trade, guys, you can't be nervous. Like, you can't be in front of your computer questioning yourself, right? So I'm going to teach you guys again, step by step, what to do, how to do it, how much to put in, how much you're going to make. But if you as the investor, you as the person, you're going through life, you have a breakup, a bad breakup, whatever it is, you can't let outside and like external forces impact your internal profit. So I always say, guys, if you're a fresh new beginner, the first thing that I would begin off with, guys, is after you join the program, if you comment trial or comment the word mentor, you're going to get access to a whole entire catalog, I'll show you real quick, of a bunch of free games and free content. It's going to help you guys actually know what you're doing, right? So if you're a fresh beginner, guys, I was first right here with the Trading 101 Foundations.
So how to start trading, the right mindset, right? What are option trading? A trading strategy, how to become profitable, right? So people always want to make them, guys, it's so crazy, right? People want to make money, right? You may be looking to make a small cup of water. When someone like me, I want to teach you guys how to build wells. So I don't have to make some small ass cup of water or small money. Now, I want to show you how to build your own well, so you can actually reproduce the water and you can become wealthy. That went over some of y'all's heads. I'm going to teach you how to fish yourself, so you can actually make money yourself. Build a well that makes unlimited water. I don't want to have you guys just being copycats all day, right? So after you guys join our program, guys, you can go to the whole entire beginner platform right here. I also offer some technical analysis. So some technical analysis for beginners. This is charting analysis. This is very, very important. Talking about here. Step 1. This is your first video to watch to learn about charting. This is very, very important, guys. Right? Step 2. Watch this video right here to learn more about smart money concepts. Very, very, very important. After that, I will move on to the intermediate level charting right here. Guys, this is all free game too. If you comment the word mentor or if you comment the word trial, you get a link to get into our program and this will all be included. So step 3, I watch a video right here called the intermediate level charting. And I want to watch the video right here first. How to hold on to your winning trades longer and how to cut your losing trades quicker. Small concepts, my money. Right? This is all levels intermediate. Lastly, I'll go into technical analysis mastery. This is the game. I don't think y'all should start doing my here because y'all get a little bit more confused. So I'll personally say beginning first to the beginner stuff, the intermediate, and go to the advanced lastly, right? These are all very, very good. And I even include live trading examples so you can see us do it literally in real time. All right? And low key, my phone's gonna die soon. So I'm gonna be real with you guys. The class is gonna be cut off a little short. I'm using the charger to actually use this microphone today, so it's gonna have to happen, all right? So while I'm on this class, I'm gonna give you guys all the game I can, but I can't guarantee you guys will get all the game if y'all are not here on my YouTube. I'm gonna be here on YouTube after this live stream ends, guys. So if you want to get into this class and get into this on YouTube, right? And you want to see on YouTube, just comment the word full, F-U-L-L, under any of my Instagram posts, and I have my assistant send you a DM so you can get access to our YouTube channel and you get access to all the game, right? Or just go to youtube.com, Ryan Vance, and we live right now, guys, all right? So boom. What are we going to get into next today before my phone dies here, all right? Let's get into it. These are the top companies that are going to be reporting their earnings this week in the stock market, right? We have a lot of companies to look at for, right? Personally, I will focus on 2 companies. Oracle this week, which right here, Oracle. This is a great company. It's a pretty good tech company. They're all right, on price. And number 2, I will look at GameStop. Who here made some money off the GameStop run? Let me see. Who made some money off the GameStop and AMC run? Like Dogecoin. Put a 1 in the chat. Honestly, who was the lucky person? These are 2 companies that actually look at this week. But let me quickly go into my analysis here on SPY so we can go ahead and conclude today's live trading class real quick. Alright, let's get into it real quick. And like I said, guys here on my Instagram family, join up here on my YouTube live so you do not miss any of these games. I will be going on for about 30 more minutes after this live stream ends here on my phone. Alright, boom. So the first company I'm going to cover for our watch list, let's cover SPY. So who here was on my last class last week where I covered, hey guys, we're kind of like in a little bit of a range on SPY. We've been shopping for a very, very long time. So what I want to look for, like I said, guys, I want to see a breakout of either which range, and then I want to see a pullback to the range for a further move to either which direction. So this week, we actually broke out of the range to the downside. Here, you see that? We broke right here to the downside right here, pulled back right there, and now we're seeing some more lows on SPY in the market.
So we called this literally last week for you guys for free on my YouTube class and on Instagram Live. So everybody who came to my class last week, y'all made a whole lot of money. I hope you did. Hopefully you did, y'all. Right? Some y'all funny on the YouTube Live. They said, I said, put a 1 in the chat if you don't like to lose money. Someone put 1. Hey, real talk. Hey, losing money is nothing that I would wish my, but even my worst enemy, I hope that they do good. You know, I got good karma. So at the end of the day, guys, whenever SPY makes a move like this, guys, SPY is the S&P 500. They hold a basket of the top 500 most popular companies, right? So if SPY has a break and retest of its swing low, which is right here, this gold line right here is called my swing low. So if the market is ranging like this, here's my swing low right here, here's my swing high. So we finally broke through my swing low right here in the market, had a little bit of a retest right here too, right here, right? Guys, this is a very easy strategy. It's called a break and retest pattern. Very, very simple. Keep your trading very, very simple, right? Don't make this hard. Make it very, very simple, and you make so much more money. Easily said. So boom. After we had a little bit of a retest to this area right here, what happened? We had lower lows. But guys, was it on SPY only, or was it on more companies? Who's seen companies drop this week? Bitcoin dropped, AMD dropped, Nvidia dropped. Let's look at AMD. So AMD on my 4-hour chart, as you see right here, we've seen also some more lows, right? I can look at Tesla. What did they do? They kind of dropped too, right? I can go open up Netflix. What did they do? We cooked them very, very bad this week. We already know that they dropped. Y'all, I'm going to even open up the chart. Look at this chart here on Netflix, guys. Check this out. It dropped very badly. And if you notice something that's frequent, we call out all these things every single week in the chat, guys. So, and also people who are on my Instagram Live family, this live will end quicker than usual, and I'll be going to YouTube. So if you want to get some more of this free game, guys, go to youtube.com/RyanVans and join us here on live stream right now. You guys, if you're here on YouTube right now, guys, go ahead and drop a like on this video, drop a subscribe. I'm gonna keep putting out free game for you guys every single week, and every single Sunday, a free class to help you guys get to this chicken, baby. Instagram Live, this video will be closing soon, so I'll be seeing you guys soon. But while it's live right now, guys, let's get into what companies will I watch this week. Let's go. Let's cook. Guys, check this out. So boom. AMD is my first company I'm looking at and watch this week, right? This is the first company I'm watching. So where's the YouTube link? So guys, the YouTube link is in my bio on Instagram. I don't know say it. All right, so boom. AMD, guys, I'm watching this company for some more potential lows. And why is that? We're actually sitting at a very common demand zone here on AMD. How I find that? Let's circle it from right here. Let's drag it all the way across on AMD. Check this out. This is my current demand zone here on AMD, but why I want to see it to go lower, guys? The third touch of a zone is typically the time that it has a breakout. On top of that, guys, this is free game. You want to have your 200-day moving average indicator on your screen at all times. So AMD hit this area right here, as you see, and we dropped severely. So the 200, guys, the 200 EMA is a very, very critical moving average. Basically, the average of how a company moved over the past 200 days. So if a company hits that and rejects, it's a very, very big thing in the market. It's a very big impasse in the market, right? And you want to have these things down. So if you guys forget these things, you literally will miss up on literally free money. Like, trading isn't easy. It's just simple. I say it again, guys. Trading is not easy. Trading is simple. So the more that you simplify your trading game, the more money that you make. The more that your lines are over your screen like this. Let me say, right? Like the more that your lines are looking like a bunch of like this on your screen, like a bunch of like, let me say, right? People whose charts are like this, lines everywhere. This is called mumbo jumbo in the market. Do not do this. You will lose your money, sadly. Keep it very, very simple. Learn about smart money concepts. You make a lot more money, right? So I'm looking at AMD for some puts to the downside. Let's go to open up our next stop. Let's go look at Tesla. So you can see Tesla right here. Let me show you right quick. This week here on Tesla, we definitely smacked them on top of their head a couple times. But this week, it's looking like we could be seeing a little bit of a market structure shift here on Tesla. And why do I say that, guys? Do any of y'all know in the chat? Can anybody guess in the chat on why I see a shift in price on Tesla? Could anybody answer in the chat? I want to see who has been learning and who has the game. I want to see who's smart. Looking at this chart right here on Tesla, guys, why would I be seeing a market structure shift this week here on Tesla? I don't see who knows in the chat. I don't see if anybody has any type of understanding of the game. Before I give you guys the game, I want to see who will possibly know why this company could shift here in price. Because I cover it almost every other week, but this week we hit Tesla about 2, 3, 4 different times. That it's no problem for me. All right, guys. The IG live just ended, so we're here with the YouTube fan. What's good, YouTube fan? Hold on. If I had a soundboard, as a matter of fact, I have a soundboard. Hold on. Guys, we're here with the YouTube family, so I'm gonna go ahead and hold on. Let me go ahead and turn it up real quick. I want to see who's out here. All right. So we're here with the whole YouTube family. So can anybody in the chat kind of go ahead and guess why do I feel like Tesla this week could have a market structure shift? Is anybody know in the chat? Does anybody know in the chat? I want to see. I'm reading the chat. I don't see any right answers yet. I don't see any right answers. Y'all close, but y'all ain't got it. Let me see. Okay. Well, with Tesla this week, what you see is if you go to my hourly chart here on Tesla, you zoom in a little closer. What you guys missed is we actually created a little bit of a flag pattern here on Tesla this past week in the market, and now we're kind of seeing consistent higher highs, right? And higher lows. So what I mean by that is we're consistently seeing an uptrend here being built here on Tesla, right? Consistently bouncing off the same plane. So this past week or so in the market, if you go to my hourly chart, we have been dropping on Tesla for a portion of the time. We go up in price a little bit, drop a little bit, drop, come back down, bounce again, right? However, this time on Tesla, it's looking like we are seeing a little bit more price action in the market. And the reason why I say that is Tesla has been trying to range and build a little uptrend here consistently, right? But what you fail to realize on Tesla is we actually created a higher high right here, and then we created a new high right here as well on Tesla. So this new high, if I go ahead and highlight it right quick, we came up to the same area of supply right here on Tesla, right? And before I go any further, guys, put a 1 in the chat if this here is making sense. Let me know if it's making sense to y'all before I go too far. But this is basically why I see Tesla going to this price, right? So, okay, cool. So the reason why this is an area of supply, if you see right here, we hit it right here, we dropped, here we dropped. But on the other side, we hit it right here, we broke out. Hit it right here, we broke out. So again this week, this area right here was tapped again. We hit it again and we dropped this time, right? However, what happened was we were able to take out a very critical area on Tesla. Do y'all know where the area is? Before I put it down, guys, give you guys 10 seconds. Let me know where y'all feel like this area is here on Tesla. 10 seconds, guys. 10 seconds. That's it. You have time. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep. If you guessed the area of liquidity, you got it right. This area right here, guys, is a recent higher high here on Tesla that was created. This box right here. So we're able to take out the area, right? Now what that did for us in the market, because we took out this big area of liquidity right here on Tesla, we created a brand new higher high right here in the market. However, this higher high unfortunately hit my area right here of supply here on Tesla. And after tapping this area right here on Tesla, what happened? The market dropped significantly in price all the way to the downside here in the market, right? So as an investor, guys, we're gonna basically keep down and keep noted that if you guys hit an area right here of liquidity as such in the market, if you take out a higher high, like this right here on Tesla, you create so right here you're creating a brand new high here in the market. If you zoom in here a little closer, we're creating a little bit of a trend line right here on Tesla to the upside, right? So what I'm looking for this week, guys, this is the freest game of today. I want to see if Tesla can go ahead and make a little bit of an upside move. And I want to take out this past area of liquidity right here and aim to create this little move up here to this gap. And there's like a little supply zone here on Tesla. So free game, guys, right down this week, I'm looking at some calls here on Tesla. So if y'all wonder why I buy some calls and make a lot of money on Tesla this week, this is free game. Y'all here right now are getting a free game right now before anybody else. I'm looking at calls this week here on Tesla. And watch I listen to this light-skinned dude wearing the glasses and the fucking high-rise. Like, anybody could be light-skinned wearing two glasses and the high-rise. Well, I started my account at $5,000 literally last week, and I'm almost sitting at $15,000 in a matter of about 8 trading days. So I'm at over $10,000, and I do all this live, by the way, too. I do all this live. So all my students are able to catch all my trades live with me. They're also able to profit, as you can see right here in the chat every single day. And I give you guys literally a whole entire hour of free game. If you're here on my YouTube right now, we're live here. Check this out. We're live right now on YouTube right now. Y'all missing out. You got a whole hour of free game. So far, guys, y'all have learned today how to start trading, how to chart as a beginner, right? How to build a personal game plan for yourself if you have no experience. So you learn, even as a beginner, what should I need in 3 steps to make some money in trading. You also learn the top stocks that I'm watching this week and the past companies that I used this past week to make over $6,000 this past week here in trading in 1 week. So I can give you guys so much more free game, right? But they always say, guys, if you don't pay, you will never pay attention. So again, guys, if you don't pay, you won't pay attention. So you can join all my free live classes, but our trial program, guys, it costs $35. It's like nothing, right? So if you want to get into our trading chat with a trial program for 7 days, it will cost you $5 a day. Just comment the word trial on Instagram Live right now, and I'll forward you the link to get into our community. And inside the chat, you're going to get access to our community calls. So live trading calls every single morning at 8:30. Also a full-time catalog of videos to help you start trading, right? Even as a beginner. So you have charting for beginners, charting for people who are intermediate, charting for people who are masters, right? Trading foundations, like all those games coming inside of your purchase, $35. It's like nothing. But if you want to be fast tracked, you don't want to waste no more time and actually learn this game, guys, just comment the word mentor on Instagram Live or send it to me. I'll forward you a link to get access to our program for mentorship. So we have a brand new round starting here this coming Friday. So we're about to get busy, right? And people who are on my one-on-one right now, we have a lot to discuss this week here. As you can see right now, people are trying to join our community every single day, right? But not everybody can get in. This is a private community. It's private, right? People will literally wait here for a long time because we gotta actually figure out what you're about before you get into our chat. So it ain't sweet. And this is our leaderboard. You see all the people who are engaging over the past couple days. You have our calendars every single week. You kind of can see what we're doing in the week before it happens, right? So you can see we trade calls every single morning.
This week here on Wednesday, we're doing a Bible study. So you guys, this is a great place to be, right? Now, as far as what is some advice, someone asked me, what are some tips and tricks for someone who's a beginner? Good question. If you're a beginner, the first thing I would do step by step, this is like verbatim for you, and I'm gonna open up a slideshow right now for you guys. If you're a beginner and you have no trading experience, the first thing you should do is to begin something called paper trading. What is paper trading? You can basically do fake money trading. So as you guys know, trading, guys, check this out, let's begin. There's about 250 trading days every single year, right? So $100 a day is going to equal about 25 grand every single year. $200 a day, guys, that's about what, 50K a year. So all these numbers sound good, but working in a job, if you're getting paid $25 an hour, you're only making about 1K a week, which breaks down to how much? About $200 profit every single day. So even if you get a small $100 profit every single day, not only are you giving yourself you're basically paying yourself a personal salary raise for yourself, but you're also now making 50% more income of what you're making because you know how to balance and stack multiple streams of income. So right now, when I'm trading now, this is a different level. I was saying I'm 5 years in the game. I'm making like $800 to $2,000 a day, right? So that's letting me like 40-ish K a month, which is pretty good, but I'm trying to keep on stacking and scaling. So now if you're a beginner, guys, I'll basically begin first with some paper trading. Practice money trading. Do not put your real money, don't put real money into your account until you know what you're doing, because you could lose it all if you have no experience, which is why I always suggest to find a mentor. Honestly, guys, let me be real here. Your trading mentor does not have to be me. Literally, it could be anybody. Just find a mentor. We don't need your money. Real talk, let's be real here. So, just find anybody that can teach you this game personally. The reason why I say this is because I traded for about a year and a half by myself. So I'm 5 years into the game personally. 4.5 years now, right? My first year and a half into trading, so about 500 days of trading, right? I lost a lot of bread. And I literally quit. I was literally tired of losing bread. I'm mad. I lost a lot of money. It was I wouldn't even wish that shit on my worst enemy. And I realized that I never knew about paper trading. I didn't know it was possible to trade with fake money. I didn't even know. I'm literally like a fucking rookie. I had no experience. So if I were to do things all over again, one, I would read books. I would read the Candlestick Trading Bible first. Easy, very, very easy, good book. Number two, I would read The Best Loser Wins. 3, I would read Trading in the Zone. And I'm find a good mentor to teach me sound advice in real time so I can kind of know how to do it myself. Because before I was able to become profitable, I had to eat shit for a year and a half. And I don't want you guys on YouTube and you guys here on Instagram to eat shit. Y'all deserve to get into trading, find success quickly, and not have to lose tons and tons. I lost over 50K. I'm gonna be real with y'all today. It's Sunday, it's the Lord's Day, and it's real. Over 50K I lost to learn this game and skill set, right? At a very, very young age. So now the reason why I do what I do today is because I make multiple 5 figures every single month from trading today. I'm living in an amazing penthouse. I'm at age 23 right now, right? I'm 23 years old, making more than some doctors make. Literally right here, my computer chair in my apartment, just chilling, right? So I make it look easy, but I've been through blood, sweat, and tears to be where I am today. So the reason why I mentor right now is because I know how many people will start trading by themselves or with YouTube or with whatever and lose their account, lose their money. I will tell you from a perspective as a guy who's already lost the money, had the mess ups, had the fuck ups, been through the bullshit, been through the losses, quit, came back again, got it all back and plus more. So I'm going to tell you guys through experience of what to do as a brand new beginner trader so you don't have to go through what I went through. Because it's not worth it. Like, not only did I lose money, but I lost some of my personality traits. And like, I lost that goofy side of myself. I mean, shit, I still laugh now, but that shit is funny. Shit got real, right? Real talk. Like, yo, who here has ever been down bad before in your life? Ain't like, damn, yeah, shit just got real. That's what I went through, y'all. Shit then got real in my life, right? So now I spend time teaching you guys who have no experience of how to start as a beginner. So you can basically get to that bag quickly and then enjoy the process. So how you do that, guys, is use your fake money to your advantage. Get your experience with trading without the risk. Test your working strategies. Use trial and error in journaling, right? And we can even live trade with you side by side so you can actually get the experience hands-on. And then the apps you need to use, download Webull. This is what we use to trade with. It's very, very beginner friendly, very, very easy to use. TradingView. You need TradingView. This is going to be all about charting. So TradingView is essential. This is this app right here. This is the one about charting and technical analysis, right? So boom. This is what you need, guys. All you gotta need to do this year to start trading, guys, is get an app, a brokerage account. You can get a Robinhood, Thinkorswim, Webull. I like Webull, and you use TradingView 2, and then get Discord 3. Find a mentor, literally anybody that has a track record of success. Find them mentor, good at what they do, and then like actually spend some time to learn the game. Fall in love with the process. Don't fall in love with the end goal of traveling, living in your own house, making profit. No, fall in love with the process of becoming a better person and a better trader, and the money will flow to you effortlessly. So this is my free game to y'all here on this nice Sunday night. It's a late night class. Shout out to y'all here on YouTube today, tuning in today. Let's have people tapped in. We have 14 guys here on live right now, man. Salute you guys today, man. Hopefully you have a great Sunday, guys. Hopefully today was some sound advice for you guys. Hopefully some good for you. If you're brand new to my channel here on YouTube, guys, go ahead and put a subscribe here below in this video. Drop a like here in the video as well. If you're here on IG Live, guys, we're going to be getting off right now. Hopefully you have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for live trading, guys. Peace out. And if y'all DM me, guys, I'll give you guys a reply after this call. But I'll see you guys soon. Have a blessed day. And I'll take you back. Peace. Yeah. And then if you're commenting trial, guys, you want to comment trial on my Instagram if you're on YouTube. Also, if you're on YouTube, guys, go to the description and just hit and tap my link in the description to get into our program, all right? I'll see y'all soon, guys. Have a blessed day. And any last questions for you guys? Any last questions for anybody? Any last questions for our lives today? You can talk now, or you can forever hold your peace. Actually, we're past our time right now, guys. Hopefully y'all have a blessed day. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for live trading. I'll see y'all soon. Take care, guys. Peace out. Have a good one, guys. Peace.